Droid protocol.
I'm not sure what all this trouble is about, but I'm sure it must be your fault.
Hey everyone, Droid Protocol here. In my last video, I was showing you how I took this old cardboard costume and started a restoration project to fix it up. Originally, it was coated in fiberglass resin and much too heavy, so I took the time to basically thin it all out and take a lot of that bulk and weight out of the torso.
Since having the droid primed, I've been able to work on correcting any little things that are not quite right, so that's what this video is going to be about. After building a new neck ring, I realised that it wasn't quite fitting with the helmet, so I had to do some modifications to the torso before I glued the neck ring into place, just so that it was a bit lower at the front to give me some more clearance under the chin. So the new neck ring piece that I made was actually too small once I made the modifications to the torso, so I had to add a little piece in just to enlarge that slightly. So having the droids next to each other, you can see that the pecs are a completely different shape, so this is where I took the opportunity to actually correct that and make them look the same. So to get a new even line across the chest, I just used some tape here just to frame out where I was going to use the angle grinder. After angle grinding out the shape, I just coated it in resin and got it sanded and ready for priming again. I just want to point out here as well, I made some modifications again to these lower edges, and these lower edges have been a real pain, but one of my followers actually pointed out what's wrong and I managed to get it fixed up. So here's a side-by-side comparison. You can see exactly what I've changed and how much better it looks. So a little bit more of a close-up, you can see exactly how much different it is now. The left side cuts up a lot higher than on the right, and it's a lot more flatter and more accurate now. So all the major construction and refurbishment has been completed and all the modifications have been done, so now I can get it ready for painting. Anyway, that's all I have for you today, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!